Hi, I'm Rosie and this is my daughter Boo. Today we're going to be making 3 super tasty, easy and refreshing recipes for summer. They all contain Boo's favourite ingredient, milk. But if you're not careful, indoor light can affect their fresh taste and nutrients. So Boo, what are we going to make today?
A healthy milkshake, a smoothie bowl and some iced lollies.
Yummy. What should we get started with first?
Milkshakes, please.
Yes. We're going to be making a healthy banana and strawberry milkshake. So instead of using ice cream, we're going to be using plain Greek yoghurt. Boo, we're also going to need some milk. So could you go get some for me, please?
Sure.
So Boo, this container here is see-through. It lets through light. And that can kind of mean that it tastes not as great, not all the great vitamins and nutrients get inside of us. Did you know that?
No.
So maybe next time we could look at getting one that's not as transparent. Right, now down to the actual recipe. We're going to start with 1 cup of milk. Next up, we've got 1 cup of strawberries, preferably frozen, and 1 banana. Do you want to put them in, Boo? Oh, ever the professionals. Brilliant. And then 5 tablespoons of plain Greek yoghurt. And then you blitz until blended. Blending's done. Grab 2 glasses. This looks really nice, Boo. All important whipped cream. Job well done, Boo. This looks delicious. Cheers. Look, show the camera. Now we're going to make a raspberry, banana and strawberry smoothie bowl that contains nut butter, honey and of course milk. So Boo, remember what we said about how milk can lose its yummy taste really quickly if indoor light gets to it.
Yeah.
So what do you think we need to do?
You need to put it back in the fridge.
So let's get cracking with the recipe. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of milk. Milk's in the blender. Next up, we've got 1.5 cups of raspberry, 1/2 cup of strawberries, and 1 banana. Preferably the berries would be frozen. If not, improvise with a bit of ice. 2 tablespoons of a nut butter. We've gone for almond, but you can use any. And then a tablespoon of honey. I think we're good to go, aren't we?
Sure.
I think it's done. Oh, most definitely. Looks delicious, smells delicious. What do you think, Boo? Right, our smoothie's done. So we're going to pop our smoothie in for our smoothie bowl. Does that look yummy, Boo?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like ice cream.
We've gone topping-wise for some coconut and some granola. 2 tablespoons of coconut and 1/4 cup of granola. And another tablespoon of honey. But again, it's completely up to you. So there you have it, Boo. Our finished sharing smoothie bowl.
So good, I want to eat it all.
Right, Boo, now we're going to make some yummy pineapple, banana and kiwi ice lollies with a little bit of hidden spinach and milk in them.
Oh, I've got to go and grab the milk.
Great. Right, so we need 1 cup for our recipe. Next stage of the recipe is the fruit. So we have here 1/2 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of spinach, a banana and 2 kiwis. Now some of this is frozen and some of it isn't. If you haven't got the right amount that is frozen, then obviously substitute some for ice or add in a bit of extra ice. Just use your judgment, really. That's it. Fantastic.
Greens.
And now it's time to blend. I think that's done. So I'm just going to check that it's fully mixed, which, yeah, it seems to. So now we're ready for our moulds. We've just got some regular moulds here. You can get them anywhere.
I'm good.
Right, this is a really good tip to use a funnel. It really helps you. So we're going to fill them up. So you're going to hold that for me, Boo? You're going to want them quite full, not overflowing. And then the last one. So the moulds are done, and we're going to secure our lids. You put that one on.
Thank you.
Oh, you've got the overflowing one. These will go into the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, but ideally overnight. And here are the lollies that we made earlier. Yeah, shall we try them, Boo?
Sure.
You're going for that one, I'm going for this one. Give it a gentle. Here, you have this one.
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Top tip, if you're struggling to get them out, run them under a warm tap, adult needed obviously, and it will really help to loosen them. It's yummy.
Quite kiwi.
Cheers.
Cheers, beers.
So Boo, have you had a great day?
Yes.
Brilliant. To find out more how you, your favourite brand and your supermarket can get light protected milk, head to lightdamageisreal.com. And don't forget to subscribe to Mumsnet.